Our 15 artist team, they are from Jamia Millia Islamia and 2 artists from Banaras. They are working on wall. The theme is based on Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha basically the wishing tree, जो story है mythology, Hindu mythology से ली गई है, and the 2 walls जो complete हो चुकी हैं.
We felt that most of India lacks a complete awareness of art. We have got a project on in Delhi along with Noida to paint the underpasses, because there is it would be nice to beautify the city of Delhi. Getting art to the masses is quite a difficult task, especially in a city like Delhi. Places like Calcutta and maybe Mumbai have a greater sense of art and involvement with art. Started with the aspect of doing something in the underpass and not just putting, the ads that ring this number for this space and sort of hoarding style, which are not very beautifying at all. And so the idea was that the underpass should beautify the space and expose people to the attributes of art.